Hi everybody, welcome to Vegas Vegan Travels. Today we're in Lee Canyon, Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada, traveling full-time in our Imagine Grand Design MKE. It's 70 degrees here today in the middle of August, and it was 110 degrees down in the valley when we were in Las Vegas yesterday, so we're really loving life up here in this very cool reprieve.
Oh, you're so sweet. Want me to put you and swing you side to side?
No, I might want to fall out. You want to get in?
Yeah.
So today we are doing a review on the Blackstone Griddle. Now we met some fantabulous people, Shelly and John. They are RVers. They've been RVing a long time. They offered such wonderful advice to us newbies, and they also told us to get a Blackstone griddle. So we went to Lowe's the very next day and brought this back up the hill to our campsite to test it out. So when you first get your Blackstone griddle, it's gray and you need to blacken it. So there is some effort involved in making this happen. So to get this started, we hooked it up to some cooking gas and we rubbed liberally this griddle conditioner all over the griddle and then set our temperature to medium-high heat. And then we waited for it to get brown and for the conditioner to kind of burn off. Then we turned off the griddle because it says you need to repeat this step 3 times. So here's the griddle seasoning cast iron conditioner that's used. It's just got palm oil and shortening and seasoning. And you rub this all over your griddle and then it burns off. So this is the second time that it's burnt off. You do it 3 times. Now, the third time, your griddle should be blackened. So moving on to our very first entree that we're going to prepare on this griddle, and that is the works baked potato, veganized. Oh yeah, we got our Daya cheese, our kite hill, our bacon, and we are ready to put this on the griddle. Check this out. This is at about 40 minutes in. Look how blackened our Blackstone griddle is. And these baked potatoes ended up taking 1 hour, which is typical baking time. This is just the best vegan potato ever. We hope you like our content. If so, give us a thumbs up. That's so good. So that worked out so well that we could not wait for the next morning to come. Breakfast! And look how black our Blackstone is. It is ready to roll. We've got some hash browns, some pancakes. We have Chef David at the griddle working his magic. And look it, after we're done, we're going to go over to that there hammock and take ourselves a good proper nap. But everything is working so well. Look at the bubbles on the pancakes. The hash browns are getting nice and toasted. Oh my God, is this not a camper's delight? Oh, we'll put that fresh maple syrup on there. Some French pressed coffee. Oh yeah, you picking up what I'm putting down? After you're done cooking, just give it a wipe with the seasoned conditioner again. Wipe it in there so it conditions your griddle, and you're done. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you have a Blackstone griddle. Let us know how you like it, what you've cooked on it, and any advice that you might want to share. And as for David and I, we give the Blackstone griddle a double thumbs up. it for beautiful Lee Canyon, and we're moving on. Leave no trace every time you leave a park or an area or boondock, and have fun. Safe travels, everybody, from Vegas Vegan Travel.